I'm Chase Hubler, and this is my final portfolio of EDU 333. Over the last 5 weeks, we have created avatars on Voki, an infograph on Piktochart, assessments on a few different websites, and we made a screencasting using Screencasting-O-Matic. Our very first assignment was to create an avatar and to introduce ourselves. I went to Voki.com and hit the Try It, It's Free button. From there, I clicked on the face, and then I clicked on the female, and then scrolled until I found a character that I liked. After that, I picked a shirt, and some new hair. You can also choose from a variety of accessory, however, I decided against it. When you're done designing your avatar, you can change the background. Some minor changes to your avatar include some lip color, eye color, skin color, and hair color. Finally, you can include a message. You can type it or record it.
Hello.
Once you save it, you can give her a name, and then you can share her. You can share on Facebook, Twitter, email, links, or other. This is a great tool to use in the classroom because it may make introducing yourself a little easier, especially for kids who are shy or may have a learning disability. Some of the strengths I saw on this website was that it was easy to use, and it's also a fun process. I think kids would enjoy this because it's different and it's not something I've ever done before this class. Weaknesses I saw on this website. There are very few options in the free trial. Overall, though, I think it's a great tool and I enjoyed it. The next assignment our class completed was the Piktochart, or the infographic. Once I got to the website, it was super easy to get started. I went to the templates and picked one out and then got started. I did my headers first, and deleted everything else that was already on there. I easily inserted some graphics and text boxes and finished it right up. This is a great way to get a quick overview of some information. I think using this in the classroom would be a great little research project tool. I found that the strength in this tool was that it was fairly easy to use, and I really enjoyed all the different things I could play around with. The only thing I can really criticize about the website is that I didn't like how it appeared to break up the picture into slide-like portions when I was working on it. I really enjoyed making the quizzes in this module. Each of these sites were user-friendly. The first one I went to was Quizalize, and after making a free account and setting up my classroom, you can choose a quiz that already exists or a new quiz. These are some of the quizzes that you can use that are here for you. Or you can go up here and click Create New Quiz. You can input your questions and then your answers. You can then preview your quiz. You can then save it and give it to your class. Quizalize uses class codes, which makes it easy for the class to participate. This website is a great tool because students can work together or on their own in a fun, innovative way. Socrative works very similarly. I made a free account, clicked on quizzes, and then add quiz and create new. Before you input your questions and answers, you can choose if the question and answer will be multiple choice, true and false, or open-ended. You can then save it and then finish your quiz. This website can be used just like Quizalize, is really just a preference. So I like that Quizalize already has a variety of quizzes on the site that you can use. It's easy to make your own quiz, and the website is visually pleasing. For Socrative, I liked that it was pretty self-explanatory and just easy to navigate the website. Some weaknesses are that Quizalize only allows for multiple choice questions, and Socrative has some helpful tools in the pro version that would be nice to have access to, but it does cost about $100 a year. Our previous assignment was to find a topic and use screencast to basically have a TED Talk. I've never really looked into them before, but I watched a few and thought they were useful and informative. Screencasting was pretty simple. You just go to the website, download the application, and get started. This is great for teachers and students who aren't physically present. So I think this is a great tool, especially for online classes like this. The main strength here is that it allows for the teacher to teach us, not just giving us assignments and readings. Some weaknesses I thought about were using this on my computer. My dock hit a lot of the buttons, and it took some time for me to figure it out. So I had to move my dock and make it smaller. And then the other thing I was thinking about, that I was a little bit concerned about downloading an application off of the internet. Obviously this application is safe, but I was a little bit worried at first. And these are my sources for my pictures.